What's up guys? Got another video for you. In this one we're going to be going over our 4-post internal slave cylinder that we offer for the E46 M3. So I'm going to make a quick video. I'm going to show you what's included in the kit, how to shim it, and how to get it mounted up. First I'm going to go over what's included in your kit. You're going to get your mounting plate, your clutch master slave cylinder, your shims, your mounting hardware, and your clutch and bleeder line. First thing you're going to do, inside your bell housing, you're going to remove your OEM retainer. It's very simple, it's just 4 bolts. You can toss them or you can keep them to the side. Once that's off, you're going to get your clutch master's mounting plate along with your 4 short Allen screws. Slide it over the input shaft and go ahead and tighten it down. Now shims, where do the shims go? Push the piston out, get your measurement and figure out how many shims you're going to need. Grab the shims, drop them over, slide it back in your housing. Once your bearing's shimmed, you're going to grab the 4 long Allen screws, mount up your slave cylinder, and now your bearing is mounted. Once the bearing's tightened and secured, go ahead and get your clutch and bleeder line, screw everything on, bleed the system, and after that you should be good to go. Any questions, feel free to give us a call, and we're more than happy to help you out.